nag-promise kami na partner kami. Hindi lang kami husband and wife, kundi talaga yung partnership. Commitment. Yun talaga. Grabe to ah. Oh, ingay tayo.
Congrats.
Na mga araw mo loko. Minuto ka na lang.
Virgin pa ako. Pero totally damaged pala. Best friend ko. Just imagine mo, high school kami. Nag-join siya sa military sa States. Ang daming babae. Pero hinanap niya ako. Ang ganda ko. Long hair ako. Journey talaga namin. Kasi may in-betweens kami, nag-separate kami. Then I had my ka-live-in ako, nagbalikan, tinanggap niya yung 3 kids. So, tapos nung nagkami na, nagka-cancer ako, nagkasakit, yung gano'n. So, grabe yung journey namin.
I'm happy where I am. I'm happy sa mga kabataan. And I'm glad we reached this point. Pero hindi pa yan tapos, obviously. Marami pang challenges and adventures ahead. And ang importante doon is like we're willing to face them.
May pustahan kami kagabi. So nagpupustahan ngayon kung sino unang iiyak. So sabi ko, hindi ako. Sabi ni Sarina, sure ka? Sabi ko, sure. Naiyak no! Nanalo ka sa pustahan!
Like I told that person a long time ago, I love you not to show everybody na palangga kita. Because of you, I've become a better person. Because of you, I've learned to express myself, maybe. But, you know, because of you, I've looked at the world a different. We always say together, you are my home. And I'm with you all the way, hon. Nothing's gonna change.
Marami pang pagsubok ang darating, marami pang luha ang dadaloy. Pero alam ko, hanggat andyan ka sa tabi ko, lalakas ako at patuloy sa laban ng buhay. Dahil ikaw ang Sierra Madre ng buhay ko.
Kaya hindi makapasok.
Ang galing ko, di ba?
Sabay-sabay mag-ingay for Mr. and Mrs. Antonio and Maida!
Jackpot! Ay, thank you talaga dito kayo. AKA mga matrona. Thank you.
Congratulations! Congrats! Kuya, congrats! Congrats!
Hi, man.
Okay.
Tagal pa, gusto ko na magubad ng gown. Han, alam mo naman yan, nadami nating pinagdaanan sa buhay. At yung mga darating pang pagsubok, alam kong kayang-kaya nating lampasan. Basta may titi, may pek-pek, ayos tayo.
Sa unang tingin, nagtagpo ang ating mata, ngiti at kilig, puso'y sumaya.
Honey, today, I renew my commitment to stand beside you, grow with you, laugh with you, and love you.
Nagkakilala, pag-ibig ay sumiklab, dalawang
Enjoy the
Congratulations.
journey.
Thank you.
Congratulations and enjoy the journey.
Kaya yung yung guest namin, chosen talaga. Yung nakakaalam talaga nung kwento.
a journey of love, our story so true. Through high and lows, I'll be with you.
For the past 35 years since our high school romance and 20 plus years of marriage, we both learned how to love each other well, to have fun together even on hard days, to listen and to respect each other. Pag alam yung super stress ako, sasabihin niya, sige, hinga mo lang yan, ganon. Tapos wala lang, ganon. Tapos grabe talaga nung nagkikimo ako, kasama ko talaga siya sa infusion, tapos yung nakalbo ako, unti-unti nawala yung mga ano ko. Alam mo yung, ang pangit ng tingin mo talaga sa sarili mo, pero siya nagpakalbo din, nagpa-shave din siya.
If she goes every day sa chemo niya, I'll be there with her. You know, if she keeps fighting, I'll fight for us. She's very tough as they come. Matapang siya.
Yung nakita niya na yung worst in you, ang pinakapangit mo na itsura. Alam mo yun? Love. Kaya love na love ko yun.
Destiny brought us heart to heart.
She'll meet you halfway. It won't always be her way, you know. Sabihin na natin, she loves to laugh, you know, makwento, magandang smile niya, may appeal.
Dumaan ang unos, tayo'y naghiwalay.
Yun siguro yung advice ng papa ko na tumatak sa akin na hindi mo pa nga nilaban, isusuko mo na. Nung sinabi ng papa ko yung para akong sinampal, kasi pride natin, ego, kaya siguro marami naghihiwalay kasi nauunahan ng pride. Thankful ako sa papa ko. Yun yung ano niya sa akin, binigay niya sa akin lesson sa buhay. Papa,
After 35 years, natupad din.
oh! Love you pa.
Love you so much. More blessings, more graces from the Lord. I love you. Love you. Stay cool.
Always cool. Thank you for all the love, for all the support, and for the wisdom. Muntik na kayo maghiwalay ni Antonio pero may sinabi ka sa akin na hindi mo pa nga nilalaban, isusuko mo na. Yun tinandaan ko pa. Kaya laban lang. Di ba ba?
Yes.
Ngunit tadhana, may sariling plano, muling nagtagpo, pag-ibig ay buwan.
Stage 4 cancer. Sabi nga niya, Lord, kasi November, February, balik-balik kami sa hospital, blood transfusion. Tapos nag-decide siya na patanggal na talaga yung bukol kasi hindi niya nakaya nung March. So natanggal naman. Sabi niya, Tang, sa araw ng kasal mo kahit the following day, kunin na ako, okay na ako. Maisayaw lang kita. Ano kasi ako Daddy's little girl. Siya yung strength ko din. Kaya sobrang love ko talaga yung tatay ko.
A journey of love, our story so true. Through highs and lows, I'll be with you. From strangers to lovers, then back to start. Destiny brought us heart.
Thank you for giving me the gift of being a dad to 4 handsome and beautiful children. They have given me immense love, support, and perspective in life. I have made my mistakes, and yet you have given me the gift of forgiveness, which I do not deserve, and yet I will remember and keep in my heart forever.
Destiny brought us heart to heart. Years go by, still hand in hand, side by side, we'll always stand. Sa hirap at ginhawa, tayo'y isa.
Always remember, Han, that yesterday, today, and forever, you are my best friend, my lover, my equals in all things. You are my heart, my home, and my forever.
Forever and always, ikaw at ako. A journey of life, our story.
Thank you for showing me what true partnership is all about. That's full of love, admiration, and utmost respect. I love you, Han.
I am so happy with our partnership and willingness to go through challenges. Just you and me, only us. No noise, no distractions, and the love that holds us together. In your arms, the world disappears. Time slows and worries fade. My home.
I'll be with you. From strangers to lovers, then back to start. Destiny brought us heart to heart. A journey